Tunisia is located in North Africa and is bordered by Algeria to the west and Libya to the east. The capital city of Tunisia is Tunis, which is also the largest city in the country. Tunisia is known for its beautiful Mediterranean coastline with sandy beaches and clear blue waters. The official language of Tunisia is Arabic, but French is also widely spoken. Tunisia has a rich history with influences from Phoenician, Roman, Arab, and Ottoman cultures. The traditional dish of Tunisia is couscous, which is typically served with vegetables and meat. Tunisia is a Muslim-majority country, with Islam being the dominant religion. The Tunisian Revolution in 2011 led to the ousting of President Zine El Abidine Ben Ali and sparked a wave of pro-democracy movements in the Arab world. The Tunisian flag is red and white, with a red crescent and star in the center. The Sahara Desert covers a significant portion of southern Tunisia. The ancient city of Carthage, located near modern-day Tunis, was once a powerful Phoenician city-state and a major rival of Rome. The city of Sidi Bou Said, known for its blue and white buildings, is a popular tourist destination in Tunisia. The Great Mosque of Carthage, built in the 9th century, is one of the oldest mosques in the world. The city of Tozeur is famous for its palm groves and traditional Berber architecture. Tunisia has a diverse ecosystem, including forests, wetlands, and desert regions. The Bardo National Museum in Tunis houses a vast collection of ancient Roman mosaics. The Tunisian National Dialogue Quartet won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2015 for their efforts in building a pluralistic democracy in Tunisia. Tunisia has a vibrant music scene, with a mix of traditional Arab, Berber, and Western influences. The Medina of Tunis, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of the best-preserved medieval Arab cities in the world. The Shad el Jared salt flats in southern Tunisia were used as a filming location for the Star Wars movie A New Hope. The ancient amphitheater of El Jem is one of the best-preserved Roman ruins in North Africa. Tunisian cuisine is known for its use of fresh herbs, olive oil, and spices like cumin, coriander, and cinnamon. The city of Hammamet is a popular beach resort destination for tourists. The annual Carthage International Festival showcases a diverse range of music, theater, and dance performances. The town of Daouz hosts an annual Sahara Festival, featuring camel races and traditional Bedouin celebrations. The island of Jerba is known for its whitewashed buildings, sandy beaches, and ancient Jewish synagogues. The Dar Ben Abdullah Museum in Tunis exhibits traditional Tunisian arts and crafts. The Kerkena Islands, located off the eastern coast of Tunisia, are known for their fishing villages and sandy beaches. The ancient Roman city of Duga is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the best-preserved Roman sites in Tunisia. Tunisia has a rich tradition of pottery, weaving, and carpet making. The Ichkil National Park is an important wetland habitat for migratory birds in Tunisia. The city of Kerwa is considered one of the holiest cities in Islam and is home to the oldest mosque in North Africa. The Oasis Festival in Tozeur celebrates traditional desert culture with camel races, music, and dance performances. The Medina of Sousse is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its well-preserved medieval architecture. The city of Bizerta is located on the northern coast of Tunisia and is known for its fishing port and historical sites. The National Museum of Carthage in Tunis showcases artifacts from the ancient city of Carthage. The Atlas Mountains in northern Tunisia offer stunning landscapes and hiking opportunities. The El Fija National Park in southern Tunisia is home to a diverse range of wildlife, including gazelles, wild boars, and jackals. The annual International Festival of Carthage features a variety of cultural performances, including music, theater, and dance. The town of Kerwa is famous for its handmade carpets and textiles. The Sidi Boulal Canyon, also known as Star Wars Canyon, was used as a filming location for the Star Wars movie, The Phantom Menace. The city of Monastir is known for its white sandy beaches and historical sites, including the Rivet Fortress. The annual Malo Festival in Kef celebrates traditional Andalusian music and culture. The town of Kalibia is home to a medieval fortress and one of the best-preserved Punic cemeteries in Tunisia. The Sahel region of Tunisia is known for its citrus groves and olive orchards. The International Festival of Tozeur showcases traditional desert music and dance performances. The town of Hammamet is famous for its jasmine-scented gardens and ancient fortifications. The Tunis International Book Fair is one of the largest cultural events in Tunisia, featuring book readings, signings, and literary discussions. The town of Kerwa is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its traditional crafts, including leatherwork, ceramics, and metalwork. The annual Date Festival in Tozeur celebrates the harvest of dates with music, dance, and food festivals. The Ichkil National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its diverse bird species and scenic beauty. The town of Mahdia is known for its sandy beaches, fishing port, and ancient ruins. The annual Spox International Jazz Festival attracts musicians and jazz enthusiasts from around the world. The ancient city of Bola Regia is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its well-preserved Roman villas. The town of Nabil is famous for its colorful pottery and ceramics. The Medina of Sfax is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its traditional architecture and markets. The coastal town of Sousse is famous for its sandy beaches, medieval architecture, and bustling markets. The annual Tabarka Rock Festival features rock and alternative music concerts in an outdoor setting. The city of Gabes is known for its palm groves, salt pans, and traditional handicrafts.